Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a glitter cut crease and it's super cute and super subtle, but I did go ahead and do a smoky under eye for you guys if you guys want to jazz it up for the night, whatever you're doing, what have you. And make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Like, my name's Alaiya. If you don't know that, then now you know. And I'm so glad to be friends with you. And I'm so glad to meet you. So my shirt says Year of the Girl Boss. And you can purchase it in the link below. Go ahead and support my homegirl. Her name's Milan. She is the founder of Lady in Pink. So go ahead and show her some support. So we can all be girl bosses together. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate every single one of you for following and for being a part of my channel and seeing me grow with every single video post. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So per usual, you guys, we're just priming the eyelids. So our eyeshadow is vibrant and we have amazing color payoff. I'm just taking any concealer. You guys can take any concealer as well, or eyeshadow primer to do this step. So we're gonna dab into Saturn and take it into our crease with our Morphe brush, and we're gonna also dab it on the lid, making sure we're building up that color pretty intensely. Then we're gonna go back into that same palette and take Parallel with a BH Cosmetics brush. I did switch brushes because I wanted the color to come through more and I wanted to blend better because it was patchy at first. Next, dab back into the Saturn color with the same Morphe brush used before to make sure you blend those two colors together. So everything's pretty seamless. This Sephora crease brush has no product on it. I'm just blending everything together nicely. Then I'm going to take some concealer, apply it to the bottom of my lid and look upward. And this will automatically line where my crease should be. And it works for every single person. Hooded eyes, big eyes, no eyelids. It doesn't matter. It honestly works for every single person because we are all unique and beautiful. I had to add that in there because I got to let y'all know. But I even use this trick on my clients, so it works for every eye shape. That's a little takeaway for you guys. Next, I'm going to carefully take my time and go in and make sure my line is straight. And you will just see me do this here. I'm going to switch out my brush because I want a more straighter one to make sure that I don't make any mistakes and it looks really, really clean and cut. And just watch me do the rest, and we're gonna take our time on this. So as we get to the tail end of our cut crease, we're going to wing it outward. I see a lot of people do a half of an S shape at the end of their cut crease as their tail, and it doesn't look as clean cut, so I'm going to do mine outward so it can come out better. Going in with the color Lure, I am making that my shade that I put on top of that concealer in my cut crease, and it looks really pretty. It's such a subtle purple lavender color, and it looks like you wouldn't be able to see it on your skin tone, but it shines through. It's really pretty. So go ahead and pack that on without messing up the line that you created with the concealer. Next, go back in with Parallel with a small pencil-like brush or an eyeliner brush. This one's by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to just deepen and darken that cut crease so it can be more defined, so it can pop out in pictures, and yeah, so it can look more clean. So throughout this whole video, I've been cleaning up the area with this Sephora Crease brush. You see me do this here. Next, I'm taking this NYX Crystal Glitter Liner. I honestly don't know the color off the top of my head, but it looks like a champagne color. And I'm going to take my time and put that inside the crease that I created. I'm going to speed the face part up for you guys. Those that watch my videos pretty much know my face routine. The only thing I pretty much switch up is my foundation and, you know, moisturizers and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed on through. Keep on watching. So I am going to explain this part right here. I took NYX black eyeliner, making sure that it's really thick underneath my waterline so I can smoke it out later. I'm going to go in that palette and take Saturn first, probably build it up about 2 or 3 times, making sure I'm taking a shader looking brush. This one isn't particularly a shader brush, but it is by Juvia's Place and I like the shape. So I'm going to build that one up. Then I'm going to take Parallel and go under my eye as well. Where my eye meets that edge of the crease, if I can explain that right, the V of the crease, I'm going to take a Sephora crease brush and make sure I blend that out so it looks as sultry, sexy, and as clean as I want it to be. Hope you guys can see that there. Then I'm taking NYX Cocoa Lip Liner. This one is retractable. I love this combo so much. And I'm going to take Ashton by Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. Then out of the first Carly Bible times VHS Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take the Goldest highlighter and I'm going to just put it on my temples. Not temples, put it on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to take Makeup Forever's setting spray and set my face. And lastly, I'm going to take Lucid and put it in my tear ducts with a pencil brush by BH Cosmetics, just to bring the whole look together. I hope you guys enjoy this highly requested look from Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.